welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a brand new and super exciting video because I would like to introduce to you SKINFIX Barrier Plus Triple Lipid Peptide Cream. This is what I've been using to fix all my winter skin concerns. If you have overly dry skin in the winter time, I thought this would actually interfere with my makeup. It doesn't, because turns out my foundation is like superly dry, and after I use it I always feel like my face look really powdery. Since I've been using this in the morning now, I do not have the problem anymore because it just gives me the hydration that I need, and when I put my makeup over it, it just makes it look 1,000 times better. So this Barrier Plus Triple Lipid Peptide Cream this is an award-winning product. It is clinically proven and it is clean at Sephora, so you can find this both on Sephora US and Sephora Canada. This has lipid actives, it has peptides, it has small particles of hyaluronic acid. It also had rich shea butter, which is amazing for brightening, firming, and plumping skin. Like, who does not like their skin looking amazing and plump? This nutrient dense cream is made of high concentration of actives. It also includes SKINFIX signature lipid complex, which is amazing for replenishing your skin barrier, which is what I feel like this product does so well. It's protecting and fortifying your skin barrier. This is like lipid filler for your skin. In a 28-day clinical study with the SKINFIX Barrier Plus 3-step regimen, the quantity of lipids in the skin barrier increased by a significant 23.6% in 28 days. That's nearly a 1% increase in skin lipids each day. It's clinically proven to increase ceramides and fatty acids in the skin by 212%. Check it out, and it comes in 3 sizes. You've got the original, which is a 1.7 ounce. You also have the extra large. If you are like myself, you love products in both extra large and the small version for the gym or traveling. You guys know I travel a lot. I need products in literally every size. And then also when I'm home, I love using the biggest products because I don't like to run out of things. So if you're like me, you hate running out of things, the extra large would actually fit for you. And also we've got the baby size over here. If you like to travel like myself, if you travel a lot, you want something that is small enough to put in your gym bag or your travel bag, this is perfect. And overnight on the weekend. My other favorite thing about this is the packaging. I absolutely love the packaging. Most of the times I don't like the moisturizer where I have to put my entire hand in it. I love that this, you just pump it and then the product comes out and then boom, you use it. A little bit goes a long way, but I must tell you, I am the type of person who like to go all in, so I probably use 2 pumps of this every time I use this, both morning and night, which is probably a little bit more. But again, I love when my skin is overly moisturized and protected. This provides the protection that you absolutely need in the moisturizer. Again, this is how you are going to fix your winter skin. Highly recommend you check this out. And it's cruelty free and vegan. I love that SKINFIX offer that. So let's say you want to restock on your favorite Barrier Plus Triple Lipid Peptide Cream. If you want to be less wasteful and sustainable, you are going to be so excited about this. SKINFIX just launched their first ever refillable package for the classic 1.7 ounce size. I'm going to show you how to use a refill pod. It is super easy. So this would be an empty one. So I am going to show you how to do this. So you are going to remove the bottom once it's empty. Once you're done with it, you're going to remove it. And now we've got the refillable size. We're just going to open this like so, and then you pop it on this, you screw the cap, boom, you have a brand new moisturizer without being wasteful by keeping that same packaging. I love brands that think about the planet, that are sustainable, that provides you a solution. I am absolutely obsessed with this cream. Highly recommend you check it out. Again, if you have been dealing with really dry skin this winter, definitely give this a try. And if you already use this, let me know how you like it. I would love to hear. And also, if this is the first time you are hearing about this product and you'd like to check it out, also leave me a comment and let me know. Thank you again so much for watching this video. I will catch you all in my next one. Bye bye.